and moving the positive direction. But why IEEE? And what is the role of this activity to make our career successful? These are the meaningful points. There are n number of activities that can be organized in the college, in the university, yes or no? But why IEEE? Because it is the international punch. Second, if we talk about the IEEE, it only and only talks about the academic development. What latest activities or what latest developments are going on in the world, IEEE is focusing on. Because it is tech quiz and round one is the basic knowledge about IEEE, say round two is the AIML question and round three is IEEE and AIML. And really, yesterday when I saw this poster, I was really thinking that what wide spectrum students have followed. AIML. It is not computer science anymore. AML, it is nowadays a thought process. What is it? With the help of artificial intelligence, we can control anything in this world, whether it's mechanical, civil, safety, environmental, we talk about the agriculture, we can control each and everything with the help of the artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. These all are the interdisciplinary topics and interdisciplinary topics. So, my best wishes to all the students, so that you will organize all these activities in the regular basis. It should not be first and last activity. Hope you must prepare a regular plan of it and organize the activities for the student. Second point. What are the rules of these activities in your career? May anyone let me know? What is the role of these activities to make your career successful? Just
इस एक्टिविटी का रोल हमारी लाइफ में सही हो सकता है, जिससे सोशल एंजाइटी एंड नए नए कॉम्पिटिशन में हम भाग लेने के लिए हम छोटे छोटे इवेंट से तैयार हो सकते हैं एंड आगे आने वाली हमारी IEEE की कॉन्फ्रेंसेस होंगी उनमें हम इस एजुकेशन को यहाँ पर हल्के से मतलब धीरे धीरे खत्म करके तो अच्छा कवर कर सकते हैं। ये सारी चीज़ें हमें छोटी छोटी एक्टिविटी से हेल्प करेंगी।
May anyone let me know what is the requirement of the corporate world? Communication. Second one is the general awareness. Third is attitude, and fourth one is the knowledge. After that, we talk about the technique. And to talk about the communication, language plays a major role. Are you in first year, second year, no? I request that you focus on and you discuss in English, whatever be the language. Why I am saying? Because it is a platform for the students, by the students. कौन दे रहा है? बच्चे दे रहे हैं। किसके लिए दे रहे हैं? बच्चों के लिए दे रहे हैं। If you will not speak in English in this platform, you will think that you may speak in English at a bigger platform. So always discuss or communicate in English because language also plays a major role. Second major segment. If you talk about the industry, then definitely if you learn all these questions at the home, then definitely what will happen? It will take lots of time. But you may learn each and every segment very easily in this room and with the help of this. कौन पढ़ने का करोड़पति आप लोग ने देखा? I think participants of the कौन पढ़ने का करोड़पति studied a lot. Sometimes 16 hours, 17 hours. You must have a reason for study. If you don't have reason, you will not study. Today you are at university. Why? This is the reason. It definitely plays a major role to be successful and to crack the interviews of the corporate. Once again, best wishes and congratulations to the entire team who are directly and indirectly involved in this program. Thank you.
Team 1 is Sassy Sparks. Team members are Natasha and Kumbo. Team 2 is Team Shruti. Participants are Shruti and Rajat. Team 3 is the charioteers. Participants are Gauri and Shyam. Team 4 is PG7, Priya Mundra. Before we begin the event, these are some rules of the event. First, device policy.
use of mobile phone, smart watches or any other electronic devices during the event is strictly prohibited. Time concentration. For each round, there will be strict time limit of 10 seconds. Late responses will not be accepted. Third, tiebreaker. Bonus question will be used to break ties. The first correct answer wins. Fourth, authority. All the decisions made by quizmaster and judges are final and binding. Fifth, scoring. Plus 10 points for each correct answer. 0 for incorrect or no responses. No negative mark. Let us start the event. Let the event unfold with enthusiasm and excellence. The preliminary round.
विक्रांत प्रणाम। एक बहुत अच्छा न्यूज़ है जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। रिसेंटली 2 दिन पहले एक इवेंट हुआ था, आप लोगों ने देखा, ऑन सेफ्टी अवेयरनेस। हाँ, उसमें कौन आया था? एनीबडी नो? हाँ, बताओ। हाँ, वो who was he? He was a group safety head at Adani Group. Adani Group is a very prestigious group like Reliance, Tata, right? तो वो आए थे, उन्होंने हमें सेफ्टी अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम में हमारे साथ पार्टिसिपेट किया था, हमें हमारे बच्चों को नॉलेज दी थी। उन्होंने इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ प्राइड एंड वी आर डिलाइटेड टू शेयर कि उन्होंने हमारे साथ प्लेसमेंट पार्टनरशिप के लिए कोलैबोरेशन करा है एंड हमें एश्योर करा है कि हमारे बच्चों को वो 100% प्लेसमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी देंगे। सो इट्स अ वेरी ग्रेट प्लेजर।
Moving on to question number 1. Which of the following societies deals with automation? Option A, IEEE Automation and Biology Society. Option B, IEEE Material Industry. Option C, a flagship magazine of IEEE. And option D, an engineering exam. Go with option C, a flagship magazine of IEEE. Right, so it's a correct answer. Option C, a flagship magazine. The term IEEE transactions usually refers to option A, financial reports, option B, journal series for technical papers, option C, government fillings, option D, membership dues.
Option B.
The option B, journal series for technical papers. It's a correct answer. Option B, journal series for technical papers. Question 4. IEEE Power and Energy Society works with option A, cloud storage, option B, hydroponics, option C, power systems and grids, option D, audio devices. We'll go with option C, power systems and grids. It's a correct answer, power systems and grids. So the last question, IEEE student branches don't offer. Option A, leadership training, option B, research grants, option C, cooking classes, option D, hackathons. So we go with option C, cooking classes. Quite a difficult one. Question number 3. Which IEEE initiative directly aims at shaping public policy? Option A, IEEE Ethics Alliance. Option B, IEEE USA Government Relations. Option C, IEEE Legal Oversight Committee. Option D, IEEE Future Policy Council. And your time starts now. Option A, image classification. Option B, speech recognition. Option C, predicting numbers. And option D, recognizing objects. Option B. You go with option B, speech recognition. The correct answer, option B, speech recognition. Yeah. You go with option A. It's a wrong answer.
जल्दी इन दोनों से आंसर पूछते थे ऐसे
You go with option B. Unfortunately, it's a wrong answer. The correct answer is IEEE 803. Let's see how quickly you get through this round. And if you are able to answer the questions.
एक भी गलत नहीं होना चाहिए चलो क्वेश्चन 1
Question 1. Which event is primarily focused on humanitarian tech? Option A, IEEE Extreme. Option B, IEEE Site. Option C, IEEE Games League. And option D, IEEE VR Summer.
Option C.
So you go with option C, IEEE Games League. It's a wrong answer. The correct answer is option B, IEEE Site. No worries. Moving on to the next question.
ओके हॉरिजॉन्टल
Question
चलेगा
2. A key feature of IEEE
ऐसा?
YESIST 12 is option A, drone racing.
वो तो बाद में एडिटिंग में
Option B, gaming tournaments. Option C, social innovation. Option D, cloud storage competitions. The timer has already started.
Option D.
Go with option D, cloud storage competitions. Right is the correct answer. Option D, cloud storage competition. IEEE STEP is mainly for option A, college first years. Option B, senior professionals. Option C, transition from student to working professional. And option D, paper reviewers.
Option C.
You go with option C. It's the correct answer. Option C, transition from student to working professional. Moving on to next question. Question number 4. IEEE Day celebrates option A, launch of IEEE Extreme. Option B, first IEEE conference. Option C, the founding of IEEE. And option D, first robotic law formulation.
First IEEE conference.
Option A.
Option D.
Option B, first IEEE conference. Fortunately, a wrong answer. The correct answer is the founding of IEEE. Moving on to the last question. Which of the following was a founding principle of the Institute of Radio Engineers, IRE, one of IEEE's predecessors? Option A, commercialization of patents. Option B, encouragement of young professionals. Option D, industrial manufacturing. Option C, industrial manufacturing skill. Option D, promotion of public speaking.
Option D.
Option B, encouragement of young professionals. Let's see what the answer is. Okay, so correct. Moving on to the first question. Question number 1. IEEE's primary educational tool is option A, GitHub. Option B, IEEE e-learning library. Option C, physical bookstores. Option D, Skillshare. Option B. We go with IEEE e-learning library, right? The correct answer, IEEE e-learning library. Moving on to the next question. IEEE's slogan is option A, powering the web. Option B, advancing tech for humanity. Option C, bridging engineers forever. And option D, connected by electricity. The timer has started. Option B, advancing tech for humanity. Right, let's see what the answer is.
कहना पहले से लग के आना मार का
Moving on to next question. IEEE Young Professionals Program is designed for option A, retired engineers. Option B, first
देखो,
time
इसको
young
C पे लग के आया है,
schoolers.
देख।
Option C, early career engineers. And option D, senior scientists. Option C, early career engineers, right? So it's the correct answer. Option C, early career engineers. Moving on to the next question. Question number 4. How many technical societies are in IEEE? Option A, 76. Option B, 32. Option C, 49. And option D, 39.
कितना